Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWiz.com, and this is our update for December 3rd, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see the markets close sharply lower today, although they did close well off their highs, but still a significant down day after Trump made some comments about potentially waiting until after the 2020 election to strike a deal with China, and that really spooked the markets. By the end of it, the Dow was lower by 280 points. The S&P 500 was lower by 20 points, while the NASDAQ gave back 47, and the Russell 2000 dropping another 5 points. The bond market closed sharply higher, and the yield on the 10-year note settled at 1.716%. Crude oil was higher by 26 cents, while gold gaining $14 or 0.95% today, and the US dollar pulling back as well, continuing that down move here over the last three sessions. Now, after market close, Alphabet announced that Larry Page will be leaving or stepping down as CEO, and the CEO of Google will also take over the CEO of the parent company. So we have one CEO now for both of those companies. And during the regular session, Google finishing higher by $5.88, or almost half a percentage point. Right now, in the after hours trading session, it is up another $7.20, or a little over another half a percentage point. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.